Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous makeup look, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how I installed this lace frontal wig without any glue or gel. So let's get started. So for today's look, I'm going to start with my hair first. So as you guys can tell, I'm feeling myself. I really love this makeup look. I love the hair, I love everything. I bet it was giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna start with my hair first. So I actually used the Ebony lace spray. I sprayed that on the areas where I was gonna place the lace. Then I placed the lace exactly where I sprayed the Ebony. So yeah, I put my hair up to the back and then applied the elastic band and melted. That's it. Very easy, very straightforward, and very self-explanatory. So I went ahead and used the Colorpop Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette was actually from their collection. I think it's the Legend of Legend of Korra collection. So yeah, I used the orange shade as my transitional shade, and I also used the glittery orange shade for my highlight on my eyelids. So it's summer, it's sunny out there, so we needed something popping. So yeah, I applied my eyeliner by Inglot and the lashes by Veyes, Veyes lashes. So yeah, very easy and one of my favorite lashes anyway, because I was going for something really dramatic. When it comes to my lashes, I always like them, you know, bow pow all over the place. You can already tell by now. So yeah, I applied the lighter shade from the palette on my inner corner, and that's it for the eye makeup look. Very simple, but very summer friendly or festive friendly. So if you're going for a festival or any summer festival, this is really good. I really recommend this, and paired with a dramatic lashes, you would be good to go. So moving on to my face, I applied the Huda Beauty primer on my face, and then I applied my foundation by L'Oreal Paris. I really like this foundation for some reason. It's a very affordable foundation, but yet it gave that flawless base to my look, and it's look at that. It gives that gorgeous glow to my skin as well. I'm sure the primer that I applied previously also helped, but yeah, I really like the foundation, and it's also very affordable as well. So yeah, I then applied my concealer by ELF. This ELF concealer is actually one of my favorites when it comes to drugstore products, because it has this full coverage consistency to it, just like the high-end concealer, and it blends really well and seamlessly to my skin, and everything just goes really well. So I went ahead and contour my face using the Huda Beauty Tantour in, I think that's the darkest shade they had. But I went overboard, but it's okay. The main point is just to blend it in, but yeah, which I really quite did an amazing job at, so yeah, I blended it in really well. It took a while, but yeah, we actually got there in the end. You can still see the just keep watching really. But yeah, I really like this cream blush. Really, it's one of my favorite, especially the shade orange. Like I forgot what it's called though, but it's one of my favorite. I really like it a lot. It's so creamy, and the consistency is really nice on the skin. It blends seamlessly and flawlessly on the skin, and well blended into every other thing you applied on top of it. So yeah, then I went ahead and applied my lipstick. As always, I top it up with my favorite by Fenty Beauty and sprayed my face with Fenty setting spray, and that was it. That was the face makeup done. So we go back to the hair again. We can't, leave home looking raggedy. So we had to curl this hair. So as always, I always use my tea tree wand or curling iron, which is my favorite, and also the ebony lace wax stick with the Fantasia spray as well. So I realized that I actually applied too much powder on the pad, so I went in with the mascara wand to just make it a little bit like make it look natural, if that makes sense. So yeah, I used the comb to just make the hair melting. Yeah, just to give it a flatter look, and that was it. So the next step is to curl the hair. I spray the Fantasia spray again on the hair, and then take my tea tree wand. I wrap the hair around the wand away from my face, and yeah, that's all I did throughout this video. And by the way, this is one of my favorite hair by one of my favorite brand. As you can tell, the curls are popping. The hair holds curls really well, and you can tell from the quality of the hair that the texture of the hair, I can actually feel it from here. It's so lovely. I love it. So I have also applied the holding spray. In case you guys are wondering what she's spraying on my hair, it's actually Sebastian shape spray, which is one of my favorite as well. It keeps the hair in place all day, and it gives that voluminous texture to the hair, if that makes sense. I really like it a lot. You guys would be able to tell from this video, as I style the hair, that it gives that movement to the hair, and at the same time the curls were still in place and intact. So yeah, I did the same thing on the other side as well. You don't necessarily need to use the clip, but well, I did anyway. But depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, if you don't necessarily want that, how do I put it? If you don't want that, tight curls, yeah, then you don't need the pin. Just wait for the curls to cool down a bit, then drop the, hair, and that would be it. So style as desired. I was just going for it in this video. I was just going for it because I was feeling myself. So this was the first look based on what you've seen so far. So later on in the video, I tried to manipulate the curls by using brush, combs, everything. I just went in with it because I was actually feeling the curls of the hair. They were really popping. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. But for me, I absolutely love this look, and as you can tell, it's one of my longest intro ever because I was just feeling myself. I really love the finished look, and I love the fact that everything looks stunning. What do you think? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you have any question about any product that I used in this video, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.